Okay, so today we're going to talk about a geometric sequence. So remember from the other day, a geometric sequence comes from multiplying the numbers in your terms by a fixed number. Okay, that's called the common ratio. All right, so let's find the next three terms. I have 2, 6, 18. So we're multiplying by 3. So 18 times 3 would be 54, would be the next term. 54 times 3 would be 162, would be the next term. And then the next term after that would be 486. So we're multiplying by 3. This is called the common ratio. And that common ratio, R equals 3. Okay, so a geometric sequence, the ratio between consecutive terms is constant, like I just told you, called the common ratio R. So there is a formula for this. It's a sub n equals a sub 1. A sub n equals a sub 1 times R raised to the n minus 1 power. Okay, so don't get confused with this one as being recursive though. Okay, so be very careful. This one is geometric. Okay, there was no a sub 1 given. Okay, and this would have to be the subscript for your A. So this is for your geometric sequence. So be careful because we did do exponentials. Okay, and this was like our exponentials, a sub n equals a sub 0, which is our initial like investment, times r to the n, which is actually, this would be, your r would be 1 plus minus your rate. Okay, so be very careful. This is when you use like compound interest or decay. So this is exponential growth or decay. All right, so let's see. We have write a geometric sequence for the given information. A sub 1 equals 3 and R is equal to 2. So since I want a geometric sequence, I want a sub n equals a sub 1 times R to the n minus 1 power. A sub n equals a sub 1, which is 3, times your r, which is 2, raised to the n minus 1 power. So let's say I said to you, just going to move that over, find the 8th term. So if you want to sit there and keep multiplying out by 3, we could do a sub 8. And it would be 3 times 2 to the 8 minus 1. Which would be 3 times 2 to the 7th, and that you could just plug in your calculator. So the 8th term would be 384. Okay, so let's take a look at 2. It says calculate the future value of $2,000 in n years at an interest rate of 5%. So that's the one where you want to use a sub n is equal to a sub 0 times 1 plus minus r to the x power. Okay? So since I'm using a sub n, it has to be n to the n power. All right, so since it's a growth, it's going to be plus. So it's a sub n equals a sub 0 would be my initial investment, 2,000, times 1 plus, since it's growth, 5% would be 0.05 raised to the n power. So a sub n would be 2,000 times 1.05 raised to the n power. Okay, and last one. Rhonda deposited $3,000 in an account in the Merrick National Bank, earning 4.2% interest compounded annually. She made no deposits or withdrawals. Write an equation that can be used to find B, her account balance after T years. So we're using B and T. So B equals your initial investment, A, times 1 plus minus your rate raised to the T power in this case. So my initial investment is 3,000 times 1, it's a growth, plus 4.2% would be 0.042 raised to the T power. B equals 3,000 times 1.042 raised to the T power. Okay, and that's it, and we'll practice in class tomorrow. Have a good day.